and today first off I'm apologising for the echo, and the reason why I'm in this space is because of that beauty. The mini Tesla Model S here today. Tesla sent it through, and yeah, it's pretty cool. Unfortunately, it's a little small for me, but we're still going to play around with that anyway. And at the end of this video, I'll be letting you know how you yourselves could get your hands on this amazing vehicle. So I hope you enjoyed seeing the footage of that mini Tesla. It was a pretty fun car, and unfortunately, like I said, I was too big to actually go in it, which is a bit of a shame, which is the main reason that I will not be keeping this car for long. So if you are interested in purchasing this car, negotiating a good price with me, let me know in the comment section below, or email me directly at josh@josh976.com. So, what are the specs of this car? Because we didn't really speak about this during the video. So you've got two modes. You've got normal mode and sports mode, which is nothing like the P100D sports mode, 0 to 60 in whatever 2.3 seconds. But this car's sports mode does 5 meters a second. I know, that's completely astonishing. So, it's not bad for a toy car, and you've got 3 meters per second on the other setting, which is the one I was using for this video. To drive the car in this video, obviously I wasn't sitting in it, and none of my younger friends, toddlers, wanted to volunteer to be in one of my YouTube videos. So unfortunately we had to use a screw box, which worked perfectly. We're just worried about it crashing into a few of the walls. So what do you think about this car? Do you think it's a worthy investment? I don't. Luckily it came free through Tesla, which is really, really lucky, and thank you Tesla for sending this through. So if you like this video, please hit the like button, comment below, and if you are interested in Teslas, please stick around on my channel. There are a few videos similar to this, and there's about to be a new video where I am reviewing the Tesla Model S and Tesla Model X, and it's going to be a really good comparison video, so stick around for that. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.